Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically add page number in your Canva. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into Canva. After logging in the Canva, you have to open your PDF or file in the Canva. So after opening if you want to add the page number automatically, what you have to do is to go to text in the left. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this page number dynamic text. Just click over here. And now, as you can see here, now show numbers on page, all 18. I have 18 pages, so it will show me 18. Now, if you want to add number only, you can add page plus number and page plus x of y. So I want to add number only, so I will just apply properties to all pages. Now as you can see here, if you see in the corner, my page number is added automatically, so I don't need to type again and again to giving text or number to my pages. So it was very simple. So this is how you can automatically add page numbers in Canva.